Hi, this is Nancy with Amen Acre Homestead, and today I want to show you how to make emergency bread. It's really simple. All you need is 3 cups of self-rising flour. Any kind will do. I like Great Value. Simplest recipe ever. 3 cups of self-rising flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, any kind will do, and 1 12-ounce beer, whatever you like. A little harder to get off than I thought. Pour it in. And stir it up. You have to have beer because the beer has the yeast in it that reacts with the flour and the sugar, and it's all part of the mix. This is the easiest, simplest bread ever. You can take it with you camping, the ingredients, and make it there. In an emergency, you can make it on a fire with a Dutch oven. That's all there is to it. I have some parchment paper in here for just simple, easy cleanup. You just dump the dough. How easy is that? You bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and it turns out to be the most beautiful bread that you have ever seen. Okay, so we are going to bake this bread today in our cooker grill to show you how easy it is to make. It cooks for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and I have never seen it come out anything less than beautiful. So we're going to close this lid, if I can reach it. There it is. Close this lid and let it sit there and bake. We're going to let it bake for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to take the lid off and let it brown. Okay, it's time to check the bread. I want to see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's time to take the lid off and let it brown a little bit. This is going to be a beautiful loaf of bread. I just wanted to show you guys another way you can make bread if you lose power. A generator will power this. You can do this on a fire pit. You can do this on an open fire and put coals on the top of the Dutch oven. It's just so easy to do, and the recipe's so easy. You guys are gonna love it. I think this turned out beautiful. We went and got it. It's just getting a little too dark outside to show you. Now it has a little more texture, but that's because of the beer and the recipe. However, it is so easy and forgiving. Can you hear the crust is just a little bit crunchy? Whew, it's hot. It's beautiful. It smells wonderful. It turns out beautiful every time I've done it. It's 3 cups of self-rising flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 12-ounce beer. Give it a try. You're gonna like it. Thank you for joining us today on Amen Acre Homestead. Do what you can where you are. What, too short?
No. I'm gonna try it.
Well, you'll have to edit it, so. It's hot.
Oh yeah. It's good.
Is it good? I'm glad you like it. Mm-hmm.